Good morning, Lavish babes. Welcome back to another video. I'm excited. It's my birthday month. What is we talking about? And guess where we're going? Stay tuned.
Stop crying and acting.
They got a cake.
Y'all are so cute. Look, y'all.
You got your money's worth. Yes, yeah.
Thank you. And champagne. I know that's right.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Oh,
yeah.
you got the view.
Happy birthday to me. It's all about me. I don't care about nobody but me. This month is all about me, okay?
Period, sis.
Me. It's my birthday. Don't ask me to do nothing. Don't ask me to send you nothing. Don't ask me for advice. It's me. Oh my God, Virgo.
Real Virgo energy.
Virgo season. I'm so happy. Thank you. You're the best. You gotta give me a hug.
Exactly. I know I'm the best. So it's not.
You're so conceited.
He act like we not gonna fight. Like, we hit anytime, anywhere, Xavier, okay?
Bad man, no dog.
Yeah. Batman, yeah. I mean, did you really give us a choice?
What am I do? Push the car to y'all on it?
Yes, Xavier. Yes, because it's why? Because why?
I'm not a simp.
Because it's my birthday.
I'm not a simp.
Oh, what you know about being a simp?
Batman forward, Batman pull up. Rock and pop off with the Batman pull up. Batman forward, Batman pull up. All the fang and the villain do the Batman pull up. All the fang and the villain do the Batman pull up.
Good morning, Lavish babes. This is day 2, day 1. Let's say day 1. I'm on my way to the lawn. I ain't gonna tell you what I'm gonna do. Y'all gonna see. I'm tired, but I'm gonna see how fast I'm gonna do it. Lavish babes. Oh my stars, so I'm at Chuka something. But I'll put all the information right there. Y'all gonna see. I ain't gonna leave y'all like that. But guess what? Of course, I made a new friend. And we're both Virgos. We both on a solo trip. Missing over here is at the grill. And then I am at Montego Bay. But look at God, how he works in mysterious ways. Okay. 30-30 today. 30-30, yes ma'am. And then I'm about to get her hat real quick because you already know how to bring that. You guys, you know, with the captain, I'm his co-captain. You know what I'm saying?
KK.
I'm riding the boat today. You gonna see? I cannot. Y'all so dramatic. I love y'all. But tonight I'm gonna go out to the club, and you know what I'm saying? I got my own personal tour guide, so yeah, stay tuned. just show y'all. Bye.
Next door.
Hey Lavish babes. So I'm back at the store. Happy, and I haven't felt this glow, this just happiness, this like peace in so long. So yeah, girl's just chilling, minding the business that pays her.
Here's to the breezes that blows the trees on the skirt above the girl's knees. Above the girl's knees and teases, and let all the guys go on their knees and pray to God it's free from all diseases.
Good morning, Lavish babes. This is day 3, and yeah, this is about you. Oh, you're so pretty. I'm waking up to this every day. Hey Lavish babes, oh my stars, where do I start? I just finished my spa appointment, and yo, that was the best experience ever. This was actually my first time having a full body massage and a wrap. Like, I feel rejuvenated, okay? I feel like a brand new.
Welcome to Cold Fort Craft Drug Center. You're talking to Sasha.
I know that's right. Thank you, Miss Sasha.
Jerk chicken. You want sauce?
Yes, my love.
Real nice sauce in it.
Good morning, Lavish babes. It's my motherfucking birthday, 9/11. Put that shit on your calendar, okay? Talk to me nice and talk to me right. And I'm still in Jamaica. I'm so happy. Let's see what I got planned for today. Bye. I had an amazing time. My birthday was the best birthday I ever had.